Welcome back, everybody, to Ultimate CNFT. Mike, aka Mr. Ultimate, here with you today, and we're going to be talking about Mysterious Moai Association. I'm excited to be making this video. Full transparency, I will be minting this project. I also have 10 whitelist spots donated from the founders to go to this channel, which of course will go to my tier 3 paid subscription membership members. More on that later in this video, but for right now, let's jump into all things MMA. Not mixed martial arts, but Mysterious Moai Association. So check it out. We're on the website here, you guys. I'm going to have all the links, by the way, posted in the comments below or the information below, and you can check all that stuff out. Please hit the subscription button, leave the comments below. Tell me why you're excited about this project, and let's get into it here. All right, so what are we working with? We've got the Mysterious Moai Association is an exclusive collection of 3,333 stone giants that will come to life on the Cardano blockchain. Discover a world full of wonders where enigmatic storytelling is combined with unique art. I actually really do love this art style, and you can go reference all my videos before because this really is just my favorite style. I love it. It's beautiful, it's simple, but it's elegant, and it just screams Cardano NFTs to me, so I really dig the art. Following along on this journey, we'll to unravel all the mysteries that this project has to offer. So let's go check it out. There are a lot of mysteries actually surrounding this project. We're going to jump into the roadmap here in a minute. The minting starts in just under 8 days as of the making of this video today. So I'll get those whitelist spots starting this Wednesday out to my subscribers. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and register if you're going to be minting this project. You wanna be a part of their Discord, a part of their Twitter. I'll get you all that stuff here in a minute, but this roadmap here, let's check it out. So minting the Mysterious Moai Association NFTs will hit the Cardano blockchain starting on the 20th of September. Again, we've got about 7 days left to get to that. The tribe hunt. Each Moai belongs to one of 5 tribes that's located around the island. These tribes are important for the future of the Moais. We just need to find out why they are important. Mystery number 1, Easter Island Foundation donation. That's cool. They're going to be donating 3K ADA to the Easter Island Foundation once the mint is completed. The first class boat ticket holders, if you're holding one of these, you're stoked. It's the highest tier mint that you can have. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those to give away for this video, but I still do have 10 whitelists to give away with a supply of only 3,333. This is a pretty limited print, and so I like it. I dig that. There's all the information that you need to know if you do have one of those. The Moai mysteries, more utilities and future plans are hidden in the metadata. That's pretty cool, as well as the traits of the NFTs. So more mysteries to be uncovered, whether it's through the metadata or through the traits. That's going to be exciting to discover. Again, full transparency, I will absolutely be minting this project in UltimateCNFT. I've been excited about it for weeks. Phase 3, more mysteries to be unraveled over time. So all kinds of mysteries, and they are, after all, the Mysterious Moai Association. So good to stick with the theme. We got to take a look at the team here. You can go to any of their Twitter pages and you can go check out that stuff. We're going to check out the actual project Twitter page here in just a few minutes. The designer looks like she's fully doxed. The rest of these guys, I'm not too sure yet, but I'm feeling like this is a nice, good, safe project to be involved in. I've been going back and forth with Tommy Swag Lord here quite a bit for several weeks with the instructions and the making of this video and how everything's just going to turn out. So again, I'm pretty excited. It's got the mint price of 70 ADA. We're going to go over that in the Discord here in a minute. The mint date, we've already got that. What are the benefits of holding a first class boat ticket? It's all right there for you to see if you happen to have one of those. Let's go ahead and jump on the Twitter here. We've got 5,674 Twitter members. I think that their Discord's up over the 6K mark, so a nice balance there. And so, yeah, they're pretty active on Twitter. I really do like the way they break down the mint. So if you check this out right here, the time slots. So time slot 1, the first class boat ticket holders, they get to mint first, max of 3 NFTs, and there's the date and the time right there. Time slot 2 is the OGs and the Moai list, which is what I'm giving away here, is 10 of those Moai lists. First class boat ticket holders, there's your mint. You can mint up to 2 of those, and there's your time slot right there. And time slot 3 is going to go whatever's left over for the public. Again, there's only 3,333, so I don't know how many are going to be left for public, but I feel like this is one of those projects, especially with the strength of the community. I think that they're going to be doing well with their whitelist. I think when it jumps to public, in my personal opinion, I think they're going to go pretty quickly. I will be minting my whitelist. I'm going to try and jump on the public too, so we'll see how that goes, but information is key. You all know that. I love to show you the information. Let's go jump into the Discord and go over a few more things. Okay, jumping right into this Discord here, we've got 6,174 members. Again, we've got the mint date of September 20th, and the price is 70 ADA, and the supply of 3,333. We're gonna jump into some of these most recent announcements and go over what they've been doing, starting with September 4th. They've reached a couple milestones, 5K members on Discord, 5K plus followers on Twitter. You can obviously see that they've increased that on the Discord as we've gone along over the past week or so. So they've got a nice even match. I do like to see that. I really do. So that's good. It looks like these numbers are real, and that's great. They've got a couple AMAs they've been doing. I know they did some work with actually the Space Pugs. It looks like they were on a Twitter space. The block is hot and Sacred Sapiens, so they are active out there in the community. I like to see that as well because you want founders in this space, at least I want founders in this space as a YouTuber, to be active in the entire community and not maybe just focus on their own project, but to just kind of share the love and the information around everywhere. These are the kinds of things we like in the CNFT space. Oh yeah, because the cream always rises. So what else have we got here? We got some fan art competitions. They, like I said, they were on the block is hot, which I like to see. All of that information that we went over on the website is right there for the minting. If you do have various whitelist spots, you're going to want to know exactly how to take advantage of that and don't miss the time slots. It looks like there's only a couple hours for each one, so be ready. They've got a bunch of posts here. They did some things like getting registered on the CNFT tools calendar, which is great. So they're going to be out there. Once they get minted, you'll be able to see the traits and the rarities and all that good stuff. And what else do we got here? Time for an update from Bert. All of that information right there, relevant as of yesterday, actually. So what else do we want to look at here? Why don't we go take a look at some of those sneaky peekies? Because I like the art, like I said. So the sneak peeks, you can see some of these guys are just looking cool. All kinds of different traits and backgrounds. There's your thumbnail cover right there. Shout out to my man, Articulate Sam, who always does that for me. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. This one's looking cool. Little angel winged Moai right there. And on down into some more. This was one of the most recent ones right here, actually at the bottom. Just came out a couple days ago. I like that. And just, again, really cool art, really cool theme. Mystery. Some people like mysterious things. Some people don't. They like to have all the information up front. And other people love to just see how things develop along the way. So this is one of those projects that's an along the way development project. All of the official links are right here. But again, they will be in the description below this video. Let's go jump into the general chat and just take a look around. So right now, for me, it is 1:50 p.m. and you can see that the chat is live. In fact, let's go say hi to everybody. Let's see. Let's see if we get any reactions there. But anyways, it's good to see an active community. It's good to see a chat that's active. It's good to see that the members that are here are actually involved in the project. You know, everybody's out here making friends and everyone's talking about the information and just, you know, sharing the wealth and the love. And again, I like to see that stuff. So high marks for what I see so far. I will be minting this. I don't mint everything these days because it's not necessarily minting season, but there are some projects that I really do have my eyes on. And I really do like to be involved with the projects that I cover here on UltimateCNFT. And if I'm going to be involved, if I'm going to get you involved, I like to be there, right there with you. So let's check it out. Nobody has replied to me directly, but well, I guess they'll see it in the video themselves, right? So you guys are all on UltimateCNFT. Shout out to all you. Shout out to the creators, the founders. Thank you for giving me the 10 whitelist spots, which again will be given away to my Tier 3 paid subscription membership. We're going to go cover that here right now. And let's go jump into all the things that I'm doing there. So once again, leave some comments. Tell me why you're excited about this project and whether you're minting this project or not, and how you feel about all the mystery surrounding Mysterious Moai Association. All right, jumping into my own Discord here for UltimateCNFT. This is the UltimateCNFT Discord. It's open and free for anybody to join. Come here, share your opinions, make friends. You guys, that's what this environment is all about. This is everything that has to do with my YouTube channel, all of the upcoming things I'm doing, all of the giveaways that I'm doing as well. I will get to the Tier 3 paid subscription membership in a moment here. But first off, before we even do that, I want to give a shout out to all the people who are already here on this list. Yes, these are the first 18 people to join. There is a limited amount of people who can join this More on that in another video later, but I want to give a shout out first and foremost to the first person who even showed up to do this right there, Lord Ravana. I appreciate every single one of you. We got M. Ferrero, we got Wildcat Mike. What up, Wildcat Mike? We got A-Dub Sigma, Osiris Green. These guys are doing something special. More on their project about what's coming up on my channel later. We got Bacchus. What up, Bacchus? My guy right there, man. I appreciate you. Lulu, we got Bob's Token, Eros, we got Kui Lue, Lucky, and ZMac. What up, ZMac? This guy's awesome as well. He's doing all kinds of good stuff on his podcast and letters, and just this guy's amazing. We got Jers, we got The Expanse, we got Nice, Dennis. Keep an eye on what's going on because I will be covering his project also here on UltimateCNFT. Doing big things in the space. I love this guy. He is Mr. Nice. We got Hens, we got Doopty, and Nightmare. These two joined up today, so shout out to all of you so far. Everybody who joins us will get shout outs on future videos, but that's just scratching the surface here, you guys. If you want to know more about everything that I am doing, you can go to the subscription video right there on the Discord. You can click this link. It'll take you to my YouTube, which we go to in a second. But first of all, let's go check out the UltimateCNFT wallet. Click on that and click this link, and it takes you right there to everything that is going on in the UltimateCNFT wallet. So how this works, you guys, is if you sign up to my Tier 3 paid subscription membership program, you get exclusive access to all the stuff I'm doing behind the scenes on this channel, exclusive videos that are just to you guys. But the important part is the whitelists and the NFT giveaways. You heard me talk about giving away 10 of these MMA Mysterious Moai Association whitelist. You have to be on the Tier 3 subscription membership program to be qualified for any of that stuff. So 10 of these are going out to the next 10 who are in order on the list, starting from 11 all the way down. And if we have more, then we just repeat back to the top. And we're also going to be mixing in a bunch of NFT giveaways. This is the actual wallet. So how this works is everything that I do on this channel, whether I get whitelists or whether I get NFTs donated or whether I get NFTs given for the work that I do, because I do not charge money to make videos, you guys. None of this is paid sponsorship in any way, but founders often donate to me either NFTs or post-minted NFTs or whitelists or both. And they all end up eventually going into the hands of those people who are supporting my channel on the Tier 3 paid subscription membership list, and I appreciate that. There's some really nice NFTs in here. These are either projects that I've covered already, and these are mostly my own NFTs that I've donated to this wallet, and a lot of these are also done from the video coverage that I've done. We got 144 NFTs. We've already given away a whole bunch of NFTs. Just ask anyone who's already subscribed. They'll tell you I always do what I say I'm going to do. So the longer you are a member of this channel on the Tier 3 list, you unlock the higher ability to unlock, the higher tier NFTs. You got stuff like Chilled Kongs, we got Equine Pioneer Horses, we got Clumsy Ghosts, we got an entire freaking estate to give away at some point on this channel. Someone's gonna get super lucky with that. But the longer you're in and the earlier you're in, the more benefits you have. After 3 months, you unlock some of the second tier NFTs, and after 6 months, it's open season. Anything that I give away, even as high up as stuff like this Space Pugs chip. In fact, I've got a whole bunch of boss cats that belong to this wallet, but I've shipped them off to hopefully get one of those alien NFTs, which if I do, belongs to this wallet. Everything I do on this channel goes straight into this wallet. You can check it out anytime. It's public information. You can see what's coming. You can see what's going, and we're doing a lot of big things here. So I appreciate all the founders that have donated all this stuff to my channel, and there's so much more to come, you guys. So jumping right in to check out the channel. If you want to join, hit that join button, you guys, and this is what happens. You see me, I'm already previously very thankful for everyone who's supporting. You got 3 different tiers of support. The kindness support, you're supporting me because you like the work I do, and I appreciate that. You got the standout club for some of those who want to stand out in the comments. Every once in a while, when I see that you are very active and you're leaving comments on a lot of my videos and all that stuff, I come in every once in a while, I find somebody who I just like what you're doing and I appreciate your help, and I drop an NFT in your wallet. But this is the one, the ultimate whitelist club. This is $24.99 a month. This is how you get into the Tier 3 subscription level. This is how you end up getting whitelist, NFT giveaways, all that stuff. It's right there. If you have any trouble with anything at any time, just jump into my Discord, you guys, open up a ticket, and I'll take good care of you. I appreciate all of you for being here with me today. Like and comment, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done that already. And again, come be part of my community. That link will also be in the description below. Y'all have a nice day. It's time to get work on the next video that's coming up in just a couple more days here, and more giveaways, of course, to be had. Peace.